welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Makayla and welcome. In today's video, I'm finally, as you can see I got it on already though, but I am finally using my Boxy Charm makeup that I got in June. I have been so excited to try this makeup out, so if you guys are curious what I think about these products and how I got this look, continue watching. I'm gonna do pretty much a full look just because the brushes in here are like for specific things, as they say on them, so I'm going to use them for what they're actually for to see if they work well or not. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I've been dying to use this palette and I'm finally putting it on my face. It took me forever, but here we are. So I'm gonna put on my ears really quick because hello, always do need them for my hair to get out of the way. I need to already redo this pink. Can you see how light it is now? I've washed it like 3 times and it's already so faded. But anyways, I have cat hair in my mouth. I was just petting Athena for like 100 years. She's like sleepy. She's so cute. Okay, the first thing I'm going to use is this 660 Precision Foundation Brush. We'll see how well this works because I don't know. But first I am going to prime my face. So, real quick, I'm going to put this on. This is like illuminating. Sorry if I'm a little bit red. I did get like a really bad sunburn on the 4th of July and then the day before because I literally went to Boondocks for 8 hours on Tuesday, and then I went on a hike with my boyfriend on Wednesday for the 4th, and then to a friend's house. I don't know if you can like see that skin difference, but my shoulders. I got like a little here on my nose, but not bad. So I don't know if you can see it that well on the camera. Anyways, sorry that I'm so red, but that is what. Well, shiny because that's an illuminating primer. So I'm gonna take this brush. I'm just gonna use my Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation, which I'm actually running out of this so fast. I feel like they use it a lot. Just putting some product on the brush. I'm just gonna paint it on. That spread's kind of okay, I guess. Not like the best. It could be worse. I feel like with this brush though, this is taking more product than I would normally have to use. This brush applies foundation to my nose terribly. I just try to blend it all out just a little bit better. I really like that. Hold on. This is just making it worse. Okay, it's like alright. I don't really love this brush for this. I don't think I would use it again for a foundation. Maybe something else, just because my foundation is applied super light with it, which I guess if that's what you like. Anyways, so if you can see my nose, I don't know if you can see that very well, but in real life, it's pretty splotchy. I don't like that. I am just going to apply some concealer and bake really quick. So give me a second. Alright, my concealer is all on and pretty. I'm just using this AOA Perfect powder, which I actually really like this powder. It goes on so well. Like, this is one of the products I got in Miss A video, and I'm like super obsessed with this. Stuff is only $1, and it works like so well. So my bake is on. All that is chilling. I'm just gonna do a little contouring real fast. I'm just gonna use a powder because I don't want to go all extreme and crazy with cream and stuff right now. Going for more of like a softer look. What did you guys end up doing for the 4th of July? Anything fun, exciting? Or did you all just like hang out at home with family and friends or go out and watch fireworks? I didn't get to watch fireworks just because here in Colorado they were, well, I got to kind of watch them. Like there's a big ban on them just because there's like a bunch of fires here right now, like literally like 10 or 15, something around there, and it's like crazy. They're like barely contained and it's just like super insane. So there's a huge restriction this year in Colorado for that. I'm crazy. Anyways, now we're going to take this brush and we're going to try to use it for a Lush. It's a dual fiber powder brush. It's a Luxie 516. Let's see what it is. This isn't too bad. It's applying the product pretty well actually, so I'm not mad about it. I do have to apply more blush than I normally would though with other brushes because this one's not as condensed as the one I normally use, but it does work pretty well. It applies it kind of softer. So if you like your blush softer, obviously mine's like super pink, so regardless it's not going to be super soft looking, but compared to how it normally looks, I feel like this is pretty soft for me. Not too bad. I would actually use that again for that specific thing. And some color back in my face. Alrighty, so now this one is a tapered highlight brush. This is huge, but that's what it says it is, so that is what I'm going to use it for. My highlighter is breaking, I'm so sad about it. I actually don't know why either. It's just this one corner is like falling apart and then the rest of it like cracked, so it's like starting to fall out. I don't know what's happening. Well, that applies well, so not bad, not bad. The only brush I don't love out of these is the foundation brush. I don't think I would use it for foundation, honestly, just because I'm a little more of a full coverage kind of girl without having to wear like 20,000 pounds of makeup. So it's nothing against that brush. I would just probably use it for something else, honestly. So now I'm going to apply my eyebrows real quick. Okay. My eyebrows are on. Look at this. It's almost all gone. I'm gonna have to get a new one soon. Alright, and then I'm just gonna use a little bit of this Browgal brow gel for my little brows. I have eyebrows. Yay. I gotta finally get into this palette. I've been waiting for 150 years, it feels like. All these beautiful colors. To start with, I'm obviously, like I always do, gonna go in with this color here and base my whole lid with it, just because literally perfect for that. It's so pretty. I love it. It is so shimmery. It's like to die for. That is the first color. Next, I'm going to go in with a super pretty like orangey color here. And I'm just going to take this BH number 5 fluffy brush. So there is a decent amount of like fallout when I just like barely tap into the colors. So let's dust that off and everywhere. I love this color. Holy sweet babies, I am obsessed. I'm gonna blend this pretty high. I don't really know why, I just kinda want to. So that's the first time. I'm seriously like in love with this color. This is like so pretty. I just want to wear this on my eyelids every single day. And it blends so nicely. It is so pretty. Now, I'm gonna just take a tiny bit of this brown here. And I'm going to take a super small, it's a BH7, like super little light fluffy brush. I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of this brown. And I'm gonna take it in the outer corner. And I'm just gonna build up that crease in the corner. I'm just blending it just a little bit out towards the middle. I'm trying to keep most of it in this corner. I'm just gonna take a tiny bit more and bring it down on the lid a little bit. Like that. I'm just gonna do the same thing right over here. Next, there's just so many pretty colors in this thing. I want to put them all on my eyes, but I don't want to wear all these colors at the same time. Now, what do I want on my eye? What do I want on my eye? Okay, so I'm just going to take this like burgundy color. I'm going to take this fluffy brush. I'm just going to apply this in the crease as well, but I'm going to drag this one all the way across. Next, I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to use this lighter blue color on my lid. how we're gonna do the other eye. And then I'm going to take this fluffy brush and take a little bit of that dark blue. I'm just gonna dust that in this corner. Dark blue is so pigmented, it's seriously like staining palette. I can't even talk. Okay, I'm gonna take this thin brush and I'm gonna take the orange color and I'm just gonna drag it underneath my eyelashes on the bottom. So smoking it up, because why not? Real quick, I'm just gonna take this brush because there is a little bit of fallout and wipe away the little bit of fallout that there is. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush and that first color. I'm just gonna put it in the inner and I'm just gonna reapply it to the top and into the brow. That is that. The colors are like so pretty and they blend so well together. It's crazy. I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to use this gray eyeliner pencil. It's the color charcoal. I can make a wing at all. It's just gonna be like a super soft wing. I'm just kind of dragging it a little bit too. Let's try to do this side. Honestly saying, I have not used a pencil eyeliner for wings like ever. Interesting. I usually use liquid always, or like that little clay pot eyeliner. It's actually a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be to draw with. I'm actually gonna take my lip brush, try to sharpen the edge out a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna take that first brush, just kind of drag the orange color out to it. I'm just gonna kind of blend through one more time. Alright, first time ever wearing gray eyeliner. A little weird, but it works. It's just super like soft. We're gonna put on some mascara. Now I'm just gonna do a little lip liner and then I'm gonna be using the Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick in Verona. This also came in the box. I'm just gonna quickly apply this lip liner. I swear I go through lip liner fast. Just because I fill in my entire lip with it, but still too fast. I swear. Put this color on. Alright, now I'm going to take my little lip brush real quick and just shape out my lips. That is the lip color. This color is actually like really pretty. I will most likely wear this a lot more. Just because it is right up my alley of lip colors that I like. So I'm pretty into it. And now I'm so excited to try the eyelashes. They are so pretty. These are technically the most expensive eyelashes I have ever had, because I do not spend $28 on eyelashes. So we will see how these go on. Hopefully well, if they're that expensive normally. Let's get these babies on. The cool thing about these, you can pretty much wear them on whatever eye you want because of the way that they're shaped. There's that. That's one. So far it looks really pretty on. I just hope it sticks well. And they're actually super pretty. They're like nice and long. And they kind of go like shorter on the outer and inner corner, which is cool. And they're super cute. Alrighty guys. Now I'm gonna spray my face really quick with my Mario Badescu spray. And then put a tiny bit of this lotion on just to try it. It smells like really good though. It's like amazing. I just want to go on vacation from smelling this, literally. Okay, now take off my ears, blow my hair out. That is the final look with my Boxy Charm products. I like all of them. The only thing I wasn't a fan of is that foundation brush. I would not, definitely not use it for foundation. I would probably just use it for a powder or something, honestly, just because it could be for a powder foundation. That is a huge possibility. So I tried it with a liquid, wasn't a fan with it, just to do it. And yeah, so I'll maybe try it with a powder. But I don't really wear powder foundation very often, so we'll get around to that eventually. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!